Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is pupur, which means pepper. Pupur, as in pupur a halen, pepper and salt. Pupur, pepper.